So how do you actually leave early? And on an emotional cliffhanger. Cut straight after a character has a shocking realization or a powerful reaction. Technique 2, and on a question or a threat. You leave on a threat and it's scary already. You leave on a question. All the questions are not there to be answered. So leave the question and let the audience asking questions. Oh, what are they gonna do? Technique 3, the doorway principle. It's when the character makes a decision, you cut it there, and then the following scene is about the action of that decision. Technique 4, you end the scene with a crash, a bang, meaning a new character comes in the scene and then everybody is surprised, or something surprising ends the scene and you leave it there.